This video walks you through how to remove your Shopify store password page. If you are already signed in to Shopify, start from the admin dashboard and look to the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, select Online Store. This opens the area where your storefront settings and related options are managed. Once you are in Online Store, click Preferences. This will take you to the page that includes settings tied to your storefront experience, including the section that controls whether visitors must enter a password before viewing the store. On the Preferences page, scroll down until you reach the Store Access section, which may also appear as Password Protection depending on the version of Shopify you are seeing. If you do not see it right away, continue scrolling until that section comes into view. In that area, locate the setting labeled Restrict Access to Visitors with the password. This is the option that keeps the password page active for anyone trying to access your storefront. When that box is selected, visitors cannot enter the store unless they have the password. To remove the password page, uncheck Restrict Access to Visitors with the password. Make sure you are clearing the correct checkbox in the Store Access or Password Protection section before moving on. Once it is unchecked, Shopify is set to allow public access to the storefront without requiring a password. After that, move to the upper right corner of the page and click Save. This applies the change you just made. If you leave the page without saving, the password protection setting will remain as it was, so this part matters. Give Shopify a moment to save and apply the update. You may see the page refresh slightly or display a saved confirmation. Wait until the change has finished processing before checking your storefront. Next, open your Shopify storefront and confirm that the password page is no longer appearing. Visit the store the way a customer would and make sure the storefront loads directly without asking for a password. If the store opens to the main storefront instead of the password screen, that confirms the update has been applied. At this point, visitors should be able to access the store without entering a password, which means the restriction has been removed successfully. This is the final check to make sure the store is publicly accessible after the change in preferences. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify storefront can now be accessed without a password page.